How to set up hotkeys on interactive brokers. First, if you're using the IBKR desktop, click the settings icon. It's in the left navigation panel. Then click Hotkeys. Then set your keyboard shortcut. Click the hotkey column and press the key combination you want. For example, Ctrl B is buy, Ctrl S is sell, and Ctrl X cancel. IBKR lets you configure actions such as buy, sell, transmit, and cancel. Fifth, configure the order. Click the Order Entry tab, select the hotkey you created, and configure things like action, buy, sell, hotkey type, keystroke, quantity, other order parameters. There's a lot of them. Be very careful with the Submit Order Instantly option. If you enable it, pressing the hotkey can automatically submit the order rather than merely preparing it. IBKR explicitly documents this option. Now, if you're using TWS instead, the path is different. You go to File, Global Configuration, and then Hotkeys. Then, Possible Actions, select Action, create shortcut, record, and then press your key combination. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.